We have a train approaching platform 2 and it doesn't stop here. And it is gone. Nice one. Hello and welcome back to another train spotting video. Today we are in the beautiful city of town of Stowmarket. That's east of England, Suffolk. And we're gonna do a train spotting video from here. So stay with me. We have now a freight train approaching, so let's do this. And we have our first freight train for today. Approaching slowly. I don't think they have red light. No, they have red lights, so they're gonna stop here then. It's a nice one. Hi, mate. Rob, it's still red. Where are you going? It's still red. And you need to stop there though. No way you're passing with red. Yeah, it's stopping. Yeah, he needs to stop, mate. Now this is the train station. Now the train has green light. It's gonna go. Yep, nice one. Our next train is the train at platform 2, goes to Peterborough. Great Anglian train. And it stops over there. The train for Peterborough is leaving the station, and another one is passing without stopping. Nice one. Nice. Today I'm in this town, and obviously on this train station because I'm visiting some friends. I just came with my wife and I was like, okay guys, I'm here, so I need to do some train spotting. So I came at the station, but obviously I'm not gonna stay long, so Yeah, last year I was here. My last time when I was here was like 1 year ago, and I did some train spotting. Yeah, nice one. Well, that's it guys for today from Stowmarket. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care of bye and bye bye from East of England. And now we have a train approaching platform 1. Now the train is not approaching that direction, that goes to Norwich, Ipswich or Felixstowe, and to my left I go to Nottingham, obviously London. I don't think this... Oh right, so it's not stopping here.
For the 1429 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street, please stand back until the train has stopped.
Once this service does fully arrive on top of the platform, please allow customers to depart the service before you next boarding. Thank you.